Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I will be unboxing this lovely gift pack that I got from YouTube. Sometime in May, YouTube held a virtual event called the Creator 360 Africa event, and I happened to win one of the challenges in the breakout sessions, and that is why they sent me this gift box. So I'm going to be showing you what is inside. Stay tuned and don't go away.
The package came in a beautiful black box with YouTube written on it. So drum rolls, let's open. Ta-da! So guys, here's what's inside the box. First, there was a card written Creator 360, and at the back it said, "Hey Creator, thank you for joining Creator 360 Africa. We hope you found the day inspiring and informative, blah 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 blah." So there was this ID card holder. So it took me time to figure out what this was, but it's a holder for ID card that you can hang on your neck. And then there was this bucket hat, a reversible bucket hat, and on this side it was black and it had the YouTube logo, and inside out is this African print. Very beautiful indeed. I love this hat. This is going to be my first bucket hat ever. And next we have this water flask called Ocean Bottle. Yes, and let's see what it looks like inside. Ta-da! Look at this, very beautiful. And on one side it had the YouTube logo, and on the other side it had the Ocean Bottle logo. And this flask can do either hot or cold. So that's a new water bottle added to my collection. And next we have this beautiful bomber jacket that came in the YouTube color, of course, and in front it had the YouTube logo, and surprisingly the back came with a customized name, Otis Smart. Can you beat that? Hey, I'm YouTube's daughter, leave it. So guys, that's what's in my YouTube gift box. Please hit the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you get a notification each time I post a video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and show your girl some love by leaving a comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Ciao ciao.